Hi guys, welcome back to RR Makeup channel. In today's tutorial, I created this look for you guys. Actually, it's perfect look for Diwali, which is coming up very soon. And before watching this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. First, to prep my face, I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer plus Moisturizer. Actually, primerizer instantly increase moisturize and prep your skin for makeup in one step. And it's non-greasy, quick dry formula. Next is time to cover my hyperpigments. For that I'm using LA Pro Orange Corrector. It's blendable and buildable formula and it's provide natural coverage. And started covering my dark patches around my mouth and dark circles. And it's best corrector to hide your pigmentation. And for foundation, I am using my current favorite Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Caramel. It will give medium to full coverage. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. For that, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand. It's weightless formula and it will give full coverage. As usual, I started highlighting my under eyes, nose bridge, chin and my forehead. And to set my face, for that I'm using Sugar Translucent Powder. It's lightweight mattifying powder, so it keeps your makeup fresh throughout the day. And I started dusting it all over my face. And for eye look, I'm using Morphe X James Charles palette. In this, I'm going to apply No Beans shade on my eyelid. Next, I'm taking rusted shade and started blending with brown shade to make more intense on the edges. Next, I'm going to take canvas shade to soften the edges. And again, I'm using rusted shade to soften my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Kilowatts Freestyle Highlighter In this I'm going to apply Mule highlighter on my center part of my eyelid. And it was such an amazing highlighter. I absolutely love this particular shade for my eye look, and I will highly recommend this for people those who are in dusky skin. And for fair skin peoples it will not work at all. Actually it will look like a blush for them because it's like deep coral pink kind of shades. Next I'm using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal and I started lining on my upper lash line. And next I'm using Spooky Shade to smoke out my liner. And for mascara I'm using Tarte Manito mascara. It's waterproof and it will give perfect volume to your lashes. And to contour my face I'm using Makeup Forever Sculpt Powder in the shades S118 and I started contouring my hollow cheekbones, jawline, nose and my forehead. And it's nice color payoff while blending and diffusing for natural long lasting finish. Now I'm going to add color to my cheeks. For that I'm using Sugar Blush in the shade Coral Climax. Next to highlight my face, for that I'm using Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Ginger Binge. And I started highlighting my cheekbones, nose, cupid, chin and my forehead. And for lips, I'm using Nayaka Nasamba lipstick in the shade Nimbu Pani. To set my face, for that I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. It's non-sticky and it's make your makeup transfer proof. Next I'm going to fix my false lashes, and my false lashes from Daiso Japan. Next I'm using Sugar Mattifying Liner to line my inner ring. This is the final look I created for Diwali, guys. If you like this tutorial means please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in another video. Bye.